Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Trusted Platform module has malfunctioned error on Windows 11. And now let's get started. First, to check your Trusted Platform module status, press the Windows key along with the R key on your keyboard. This will open the Run window. In the dialog box that appears, type the command tpms and then press Enter. If the system indicates that your TPM is ready for use, this particular step is resolved. If you are still experiencing the TPM malfunction error, the next solution involves updating your device drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Once Device Manager is open, expand the category labeled Security Devices. Locate your Trusted Platform module, which will likely be listed as Trusted Platform Module 2.0. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the driver update process. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.